Cloud Life is Overflow Nexus, the channel of faith, trading, and wealth, giving you the latest and greatest updates on the financial markets and also some Apex gameplay. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's blessed this morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you're watching this from. I definitely appreciate you for joining in this morning or whatever time frame you're watching from. And I do appreciate you guys for being here, taking out the time to watch this live stream. So God bless and peace to everybody out there. So as you guys know in the title, we're going to be looking at some analysis that we looked over probably like the last 2-3 days in the market. I have seen a few opportunities out there in the market, and I had called a few. So if you have been paying attention to the live streams, on Twitch, on YouTube, going back and forth, then you definitely have caught some type of trade over this week and made some type of profit this week if you have been tuning in. But before we go into anything extra, y'all know how I do it. I always have to give my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ praise and worship, give him glory and acknowledge him in everything that I do. So I just pray that the Lord just be with us on this live stream today. Cover everybody in the blood of Jesus. Cover your families. Cover the viewers. Cover anybody that's watching this, anybody that's tuning in. I definitely hope the Lord covers you and your family and everybody that you're connected to in the blood of Jesus. So that being said, I want to talk about something very interesting. Very, very interesting because I don't think people really understand. I was talking about this on Twitter. Let me go to it real quick just to make sure I don't mess anything up or say anything out of out of what I didn't say. So I want to make sure I say everything correctly. But I was talking about this crypto space, this crypto bubble. Really, I was saying very few understand where this bubble is headed. There's truly going to be financial casualties. It's going to be high. And anybody that knows anything about the financial market or has traded in any financial market knows that for there to be winners, there has to be losers. And not all these assets, not all these things that are going on are going to be winners like some people think. I think people have the wrong idea how this market works. And that's the misconception right now with a lot of folks. There's a lot of things that people are not taking into consideration when it comes to these financial markets. So it is sad. It's one of those things that I wish people knew. But there's more to it than just money being transferred from people that are investing at the right time versus the wrong time. I also think that everybody's complaining about XRP and all that, but you realize all the connections that XRP is making, really big connections with really powerful, I'm talking about Ripple actually. Ripple's making very strong connections with a lot of big companies. And I think recently Microsoft was one of them. I got a DM this morning talking about their connection with Microsoft. And we already know who has affiliation with Microsoft, Bill Gates. So that's a red flag right there if you don't see it. But I was going in on today. I said, the SEC is actually preventing the worst thing to come in the long term. I think people are just looking at the short term, looking to make profits from the market, looking to be rich real quick. But I think greed is getting the best of them and vain imagination of what they think, what they want their lives to be without being realistic about what's going on and praying about some stuff. But, I was saying that only a few could see far ahead, which is why Noah looked crazy to the population. And I said, as much as conspiracy theorists claim to be woke and you can't see this, like you can't see this, what's going on. It's crazy how you can't see exactly what's going on when it comes to the digital currency space. Everything is moving in one direction. That should be a red flag, especially if you are a conspiracy theorist. You should be able to connect the dots and not look past the money, look past what's really going on, and look at what is really being done in this crypto space, in this digital asset space. So, don't let money blind you. Don't let the thought of being rich blind you. Yes, there's technology that's being created, but that technology that's being created is to eventually control the masses. But you might not see it now, but eventually when it gets to that point, you're either gonna see it too late or you're gonna be in that system, and that's just how it's gonna be. So that's one thing that I do talk about. I do think a lot of people shy away from this topic because I think people just don't want to hear it for one, and then people they don't want to hear that some type of investment is going to hinder them from what they're dreaming of. That's why I always tell people don't just focus on like if you're solely depending on crypto and your investment and your assets to succeed, you already lost. You know, be building something outside of crypto. Be if you're just 100% in the crypto game, make sure you're building something in it, but make sure you're building something outside of the crypto space too. Don't just rely only on your crypto assets. Don't just rely only on your investments. You have to be building something for legacy for your family for generations, not just in crypto but outside of that as well. So they say the average millionaire has at least a minimum of 7 streams of income. So you need to build have different streams of income coming in, not just one income, which is your investment. You probably, if you are a artist, do your art. If you're a musician, do music. If you are a streamer, stream. If you are a gamer, game. But or a poet or a writer, do something that's going to use your talents or whatever the case may be. Maybe you work a 9 to 5. Do something outside your 9 to 5 as well. Build a side hustle until you start getting to where you want to be, so you can do what you love full time. Because you need to be building something that's yours, not what the world is building for you, but what you are building for yourself. So I always encourage people to pray about going in that direction. If you are going to even consider, getting another stream of income, you need to figure out what you want to do. You said the volume is way too low. Could barely hear you. Really now? Let me see. How about now? Can you hear me now? I don't know why the volume is down on my mic because I never touch my volume. So that's strange. But can you hear me now, Darcy? I appreciate you being here too, by the way. I don't know if you could hear me or not, but that's fine. Hopefully you can. But yeah, like I was saying, a lot of what's going on, you people need to realize that they need another stream of income. Don't just rely just solely on your investments. That's what I was pretty much saying. If you didn't hear what I said, but yeah, people need to understand that you have to have different streams of income coming in, whether that be using your talents, whether that be working, whether that be hustling. Okay, great. You said that worked. Great. I'm glad that it worked. Um, yeah, I don't know why the volume was down. By the way, because of my volume is actually on my mic. It was actually turned down, but I never. I tell you, I kid you not. I never touch my volume on my mic ever. I never touch my volume ever. So I just noticed that the volume was turned down for some odd reason. So um, it could also be because of this morning too. I had I had a supernatural morning today. I always want to share my supernatural days with you guys because today there was like uh, I was awake. Well, of course I was awake, but I was just laying in my bed and I'm trying to turn over and I closed my eyes for a moment because I just didn't want to get out of bed just yet because I was like, I'm tired. I went to bed late last night because I was streaming on Twitch. So if y'all follow me on Twitch, I was streaming late on Twitch last night, and then I ended up going to bed really late. So I probably had like maybe 4 hours of sleep tops, maybe five, and so that's one of the reasons why I'm a little tired. But what happened this morning was I was fighting the urge to get out of bed and not get out of bed, and so I was just laying there, and I realized that the gravity in my room like changed, so I felt heavier all of a sudden. And when I was looking over to my left side, I saw a silhouette of a spirit next to me. So I said, okay. I said, why are you here? And so I said, I'm gonna give you a chance to leave, but you said, matter of fact, I'm not gonna give you a chance to leave. I'm just gonna get you out right now. So I said, I told the spirit to leave in Jesus' name because I was not about to play that this morning. I was tired, but I said, you know what? I'm not. It doesn't matter how tired I am. I'm still not gonna let no spirit be pushing me around in my own home. But yeah, that's what I do. With my life is very supernatural. I don't get to share everything with you guys like I want, but eventually I will. Um, Let me see. You you said you could do with more. You could do with more though. What do you mean by that? And what's up, BK? How you doing? That's crazy. I don't understand how the that like it's not your computer's fault or the max volume. It's on my end. It was just my mic was turned all the way down for some reason. So I'm gonna just say that maybe the spirit was mad that I cast it out just at the last minute. Said, let me just turn your volume down for this stream. I don't know. That's my yeah. Sometimes I wish, and I was saying this on Twitter too. I said, whoever's brave enough, or if God ever sends somebody to come my way, I want to impart my gifts to somebody one day, so so they could feel what and see what I go through. Yeah, I can't help you on the volume. That's as high as it goes. Like it's on max volume too. So I don't know why you can't hear me if you can't hear me now. It's on max volume right now. Yeah, that's strange. I don't know why. But yeah, one of these days, I hope the Lord just says, "Yeah, this person is, this person right here that could go through this. Yeah, do an impartation on them. Okay, bet." Because sometimes I'm like, man, Lord, I wonder how many people are out there that are living it like this. At least seeing things, and I don't know. I don't know. It's just interesting. I don't know if I'm the only one. I can't be. Like, there's no way I could be the only one. Let me see. But anyway, Darcy, you said the more volume, right? So is it still sounding like a whisper? And BK, let me know on your end too. Give me some feedback so I could know what it sounds like on y'all's end. Because literally, like the volume on my mic is at max, so it shouldn't be a problem on my end anymore. But let me go ahead and go to the charts. I'm gonna start off with gold today because gold is actually looking. I called a gold buy yesterday for my students. You said I could hear you, but just saying it's still low. Okay. Okay. Well, try turning up your vol. I don't know if is your volume turned all the way up. Yeah, check your volume too because mine is all the way up. I'm not sure why you can't hear me. That's very strange. It also might be as well because I had to adjust my settings yesterday for what's it called? What's that? For Twitch. So it might be that as well. Maybe. I'm not saying that's the case, but maybe because I had to change the bit rate. But I don't think the bit rate should affect the volume on my of this video or the live stream. So I don't know. That's very strange. I don't know. But you said, yeah, it's still low. I'm going to head out. Can't hear you. Take care, brother. All right, take care, man. I don't know what the problem is. That's crazy. Let me see. Yeah, my volume's all the way up, too. Let me see. Maybe this will work. Let me see this. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, you take care, man. I'm not sure why you can't hear me. I don't know. That's weird. But I'm going to go to this gold chart, and I'm going to do analysis on it real quick. So yesterday's live, yesterday's live, of course. Yesterday's live, I did analysis on this, and I did analysis on this another day as well. But what ended up happening in here, I was saying, look out here for a potential buy, and you see that price held at this level and start moving to the upside on gold. So I'm expecting gold prices to start moving to the upside here. I have been seeing gold on the bigger picture. Let me go to the bigger picture. It's actually the weekly. The weekly chart, I see gold is trying to hold at this level as well. And then I also see on the monthly time frame that gold is really trying to push up higher here. So I'm very bullish on gold. Even if gold comes down just a little bit more, I'm still looking at gold going a lot higher. I don't know why this is on the monthly. Yeah, I'm still looking at gold going higher as well. Everything on Ichimoku is screaming bullish, especially on the monthly. You got the cloud angling up. You got the Kijun and the Tenkin angling up. We're above the cloud, and then also price is starting. Chica span's above the price, so maybe we'll get by this month we'll probably see the market start pushing up higher. We're only 6 days into this month, so we'll see what happens here. Anything could really happen when it comes to these markets, but I'm thinking that the gold market is going to start shooting up higher from what I'm analyzing here. So that's what I'm gonna start off with is gold next. Everybody's favorites, XRP. I'm gonna go down to the daily in the 4 hour. If y'all remember the analysis from this point, spot on. I said that we'll have a bounce off of this blue level. This level is actually an order block on the daily right here, as you can see, and we came back to test it, and now we are looking to short here. Really, we could have got in on the 4 hour time frame, which I told my students to get in up here. So taking Ichimoku off, let me explain with and without it. So this order block is this blue zone is this level off the daily time frame, which you see here, and you see that price rejected at this order block and came down, and could have made a trade off that if you have taken a trade off that. I know my students made a trade here, so I don't need to explain that part, but I do know that this area held and that the market moved lower here. This red box is also an order block, but it's a 4 hour order block, and it's still held perfectly, and the market dropped. So I do see that. Let me see here. And then explaining it with Ichimoku, the clouds, let me take this off. The clouds acted as resistance right here. So we had a Kumo resistance and we had a Kumo bounce at this level. And so since we had a Kumo bounce here, we saw that the market pushed even lower. So either way, there's different ways to get in this market. You could have used a Kumo bounce, and then you're looking at it with the market with the markups with this order block, you see that the market pushed lower even here. So this is why, it's important to take your time when you analyze charts. You could get good trades, and you could make profit off of the market falling up. Falling down or going up. So either way, you could profit in this market. Now, for what's going on currently in the market, I still see a lot of selling pressure coming in here. We just actually broke this low here, and now we broke it right there. So I'm expecting this market to continue even lower, whether it's going to happen immediately or whether it's going to happen over time or gradually. I do think maybe over the weekend we might see the market start to decline. I do see that it was trying to hold here as support, but this volume is saying that this market's about to, get really bad. And then looking at the RCI, very bearish as well. So that's another reason why I'm bearish on XRP, and I do think the market will break below the 58-cent level and come down to the 56 and below. So that's what I'm seeing here. And then looking at the bigger picture on the daily, going back to the daily, 56 cents is my next target. And then after 56 cents, I'm looking at 42 cents and then 33 cents if we manage to get to these levels. So I'm going to be patient. I still believe that this market is in for a nasty ride. The daily chart is looking very bearish, and I don't think people are ready to accept that yet. But we will see how this market plays out. We could still hold here, but I don't think that's possible because looking at it and to finish off here, I see that we're still in this gigantic descending triangle. So I don't have any, like, I'm not doubting this drop. I'm really embracing it at this point. So if you are an investor, you may want to consider taking out some profits here for your XRP investment. Don't be fearful of missing out because this market is looking very bad. Whether people want to say it is good or not, it's looking very, very bad. Bitcoin, same thing. We just had this, and I always told people if we break back below the cloud here and we get a bearish cloud, it's going to be the beginning of the end for the bull market and the beginning of the bear market. And we already have a Kumo breakout here, and we have Chiku span right here creeping underneath the price in this red bubble. So now that we have that, this market is prepping for a nasty drop. And then you see here that it's trying to hold its last leg of support. But we'll see how this happens, what happens here over the weekend. The weekend's going to be very telling of what's going to happen in this market. And if you look here, this volume is very bearish here. And then on the RCI, we're bearish overall. So I am going to look for short trades this coming week. Even next week, I'll be looking for shorts because this market is looking prime for a drop. So be very careful if you are investing. Be very careful. I don't think a lot of people are taking that into thought, but if you are taking it into a thought, then hey, good. You are making a wise decision. So yeah, let me know now if the volume's fine. I don't know if the volume's fine for y'all now, but it should be good because I know some people complained about it. But if y'all are still here, let me know if the volume's still good or if it's still low and you can't hear me. Hopefully I don't need a new mic because this mic is considered one of the best in the market right now. Let me see. The Dow Jones. Dow Jones is still crashing. Had a really nasty crash. I called a short here at this price. Looking at the next drop to this red box. So the next thing I'm having here is probably move back to this, move down to here if we don't hold at this level. There is signs of bullish divergence, which is why I'm a little bit hesitant here. Because if you look at it like this is technically a flat market right here. And then this is moving up. So let me use this. This is moving up. So technically it is, you know, in bullish territory because we could get a bounce here. So that's why I'm not jumping the gun just yet. A lot of people think that, you know, the dollar is going to die very quickly. If it doesn't die here, what's going to end up happening going to the weekly and monthly chart, starting off with the monthly. Let me start here. If we hold here, then we'll start to see price move up because everything is angled up except for our red line. On the weekly, we could hold at this cloud level as support and then bounce to the upside. So there's a lot of things that could go on here. That's why I'm not jumping the gun just yet, because looking at the bigger picture, it is overall bullish, but it does show some bearish sentiment on the daily. That's why I'm pointing to the downside here. So I'm going to stick with my bearish bias on this one. That will come down a little bit more, then we'll probably see some upside action. So I'm going to stick with that. All right. Next, let's see. I don't even need to explain too much of this because some of this is, yeah. So right here. So this was Ethereum's call the other day. I said start looking for the market to go to the downside here. I see Ethereum prices falling to 2410, 2410, and then the price that I'm looking at now, the first target right now is 2589. So that's where I'm seeing price, which will be here. So from this point to this point. So that's what I'm seeing right now. Ethereum is doing exactly what I was saying it would. The reason why I got this answer in my mind, let me go to the daily. There was a lot going on here. I should have actually kept this on for teaching purposes, but it's fine. So let me put that there. Let me make this red. And let me go down to the 4 hour. So right here, let me take Ichimoku off. Let me go back to the daily. So this level was an order block here, looking for sales. And then coming here, and another reason why I saw this channel forming, which is a bearish channel. So when I saw that bearish channel, I said, okay, this market's looking very bad right now. So let me mark it up on like a smaller time frame, and I noticed that it bounced around this trend line. It didn't bounce right on the trend line, but it bounced around this area. So I was saying to my students and everybody on the last live stream, be paying attention around this area for a potential drop. And we also had a mother candle too, which we broke out of with this engulfing candle. And then you see the market was starting to push lower. So after that push lower, we see that the market started coming to the downside as we expected. And we're now, starting to get closer to our first target here. So I'm looking for the market to decline further, especially if Bitcoin and XRP are declining. I expect Ethereum to definitely decline because Ethereum is it's not a very good asset in my opinion. The gas fees are stupid, and it doesn't make any sense to hold Ethereum as a currency. Does not make any sense. It's like fees on top of fees. It's like a convenience fee. Let's see. Let me see. If y'all have any requests, let me hear y'all's requests of what you want me to analyze. It could be a stock, it could be a crypto, I don't care. Let me know what you are feeling today. Let me see. I do want to look at Twitter stock because I was saying, I messaged Elon Musk and I said, I don't know about this stock. Your stock look like it's about to crash. But if it crashes, I'm gonna message him again. I'm gonna just tag him and say, look, remember this conversation we had? It's coming down, son. So anyway, I just wanted to look at that real quick. I want to see if it fell yet. Oh, let's see. My pairs, let's go here. Let me see. What else do I want to analyze? I don't see anybody having requests, so. Yeah, I don't know if y'all have any requests. Because if you have a request, I'll definitely take it. Let's see. We did gold. What's this one? Let's look at oil. Oil. Wow, oil finally hit that level. Wow, it took forever. So I called that buy down here on oil. I think it was on the daily chart. Yeah, it was on the daily chart. Right there. And it held this trend line perfectly too. Like maybe y'all can't see that, but this is where I call that buy for oil. And whoever bought oil, man, you profited a lot. A lot. Let me see something. I don't know why my CVO doesn't work on this chart. It doesn't. It's just weird. You said, "Hey, buddy, adjust your mic." I already adjusted the mic. I think if it's not me, because I adjusted the mic. It's not me now. I think it's YouTube, honestly. I think it's YouTube. Yeah, I don't know what I don't know why y'all can't hear me. That's like the mic is adjusted all the way. Let me see. Yep, it's fully plugged in. It's fully it's at the highest setting. So yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Let me play with it a little bit. Where's that setting at? Yeah, I'm not sure why y'all can't hear me. I don't know why. As far as XRP, what I'll say, I already looked at it. I just finished looking at it not too long ago. XRP is doing exactly what I've been saying it's gonna do. This weekend is gonna be either it's gonna crash or we're gonna bounce. There is no opportunity to trade it just yet, but I'm still thinking that it's gonna come down. You said it sounds better. Like really? I didn't even really. I just turned the knob. Well, okay, well, whatever. As long as it sounds better, cool. I don't know why. I don't know why. All of a sudden, it just sounds better all of a sudden. But I'm glad it sounds better. Let me see. But XRP's coming down. Your voice sounds lighter. Wait. I think you meant lighter. I'm just gonna say that your voice sounds lighter when you are lined up with the red part of your mic, but not above. So you're talking about like this? Well, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. That like I said, I didn't change no settings on my mic. Well, just now I did, but I just changed the surround sound on the mic because this mic is different from other mics. You could twist the knob, the dial, and then it has like surround sound, and then it has facing you sound. So I just turned it to surround sound just now. So that's probably why you hear me better, is because I put it on surround sound. So I don't know. I don't. That's crazy. It's Freaky Friday. Everything's gonna go wrong. Now we rebuke that in Jesus' name. Nothing's going wrong over here. We don't claim that here. We claim just victory over here. But yeah, I'm glad it sounds better. I don't know why, but it does. It makes sense because if you remember, if I don't know if y'all heard me because the mic was low earlier, but I was saying that there was a spirit that came by this morning, and I had to kick it out because I said, "Nah, I'm not doing this today." So I said maybe on its way out, it probably adjusted my mic settings because I don't touch my mic ever. I don't ever touch my mic. It's always on the highest setting. So, and then when y'all said in the chat, it was I looked at it and then the volume was actually all the way down, so I was confused. I said I never touched that. You said my husband Ruben missed your prayer / motivation. He missed it. What do you mean he missed it? You talk about this morning or another time? Well, let him know that I'll still be doing this. I'm not going nowhere anytime soon. I'll still be doing the motivations and the prayer and everything. But let me see. But what I was saying here on oil, oil still looks primed to go higher. I'm actually surprised this actually went up. Usually this is a bearish pattern, but it broke higher. Interesting. But yeah, oil is looking very prime for another move higher. I wonder if let's see. I wonder if we'll get back to all-time highs on oil. Oh, you said we just go on? Okay, got you. Let me see something. I'm wondering if oil's gonna get up to here. I'm wondering this. It's a big order block level too. Oh my goodness, this thing's gonna take forever. Hold on a second. Let me drag this right there. All right. So looking at this, I could take these targets off now because I already hit all 4 targets. But what I'm saying here on oil, oil looks very strong for coming back to this upper level, which, we haven't been to that level since how long ago? Since May of 2008, which is a long time ago, really long time ago. But I think oil may try to attempt to get back to these highs. And if that's the case, who was president in 2008? I'm trying to remember. Wasn't it Obama was president in 2008? Man, because that's like where prices is looking like it's trying to go right now. So I'm like, wait a minute. We don't need that again. Let me see. It's 2000. No, it was Bush. I'm trying to remember. Was it Bush or Obama? Anyway, I forget. I don't remember. I don't remember all the time. But you said we missed first half hour. Yeah, it wasn't really like a super. I did do like a little prayer, but it wasn't like a strong type of raw prayer. you know, it was more like just cover everybody that's watching the live stream and cover everybody's family type of prayer. That's all it was. But yeah, other than that, what I'm seeing here, like I said, for oil, I'm seeing that push back up here, and I don't think, I don't know, I don't know. Here's looking very, we're flat now, but it's still showing signs of wanting to go a lot higher. That's why I'm like, gotta be careful here. Okay, so it was Bush. Yeah, I was thinking it was either, I was saying it was Bush or Obama because I remember Obama uh, came to Carrollton when he was president. I remember that. He went to my high school. I was like, oh, okay, interesting. Well, anyway, that's another story. But yeah, I think it's going back to the price when Bush was president in office. So I was like, at least that's what it looks like so far. I'm not saying that's where it's going, but the case right now, from what it looks very strong for going back to those prices. And that's between $135 a barrel to $147 a barrel. So that's something to take note of. I'm not sure if y'all are invested in oil or buy oil or day trade oil, but oil is looking very strong for a buy. I'm still looking at a strong buy opportunity on oil. Ooh, excuse me. So let me see. I'm gonna look at a few more things. I'm gonna look at Casino Coin. Wow, what happened here? Wait a minute. Is this the right chart? Wait a minute. Is this the right chart? Because this was. Hold on a second. Let me put Ichimoku on. Oh, wow, it is. Dang. Wow, what happened to Casino Coin? I thought we were going to hold here, but I see that we failed. Oh, my goodness. Casino Coin has failed big time. I was really thinking we were going to hold here. Well, it makes sense for it to drop right now because Casino Coin is on the XRP ledger, which makes a lot of sense on why this dropped. But dang, I thought we would hold here at least have a chance. But dude, we broke past that, and this was not even respected at all. So yeah, we got to take that off. We failed here to get this one. Let me see. So I'll take that L. That's an L that I will take. But here, looking at Casino Coin, there was, oops, let me put that back. There is actually divergence forming. Actually, it's been forming for a minute. And we have divergence forming here. Where we at? Right there. So we have divergence forming right there. So we might get another buy opportunity off this. Maybe. I'm going to say maybe because the way this cloud is looking ominous. And so I'm not going to say it's bullish yet. But we have potential to buy here at the same level as it bounced in this area. Let me show y'all. Where's my tool at? This platform needs to do some work because they need to upgrade their thing like TradingView. So right here is what I'm talking about. Just like how it was a buying opportunity here, I'm thinking that we could potentially get one as well here, but I'm not gonna call that yet because it's too early, and I want to see how this, the next few days closes out. So maybe in 2 days I'll have an understanding where this market is truly going. But if we break below this level, then no, it's over. You said, what is the reason you choose XRP over others? Your voice sounds very good. Oh, thank you. So my what I why I choose XRP over others is because, for one, God showed me XRP, and but the other thing about XRP is it's not gonna be in the later term, like when things are finally in place, like they're trying to get. That's when I'm kind of nervous about XRP, to be honest, because there's a lot of things with XRP that a lot of things are connected to Ripple. You see Amazon, a lot of banks, a lot of corporations like Microsoft. Uh, yeah, okay, he said Mike's working very well. Thank you. But the problem with that, the problem is that a lot of people, um, there's a lot of things with XRP, like as far as cross-border payments. It's when you compare it to Ethereum, because because when I do my day trading or Bitcoin, when I do my day trading, I have to transfer my money through Bitcoin because that's the only service that they allow. But I have another broker that allows you to trade or move it through XRP. So comparing, the transactions are a lot cheaper, and moving and shifting the money is a lot cheaper. So that's another reason. It's clean energy compared to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Another reason why I like XRP and choose XRP over others is because it's also one of my favorite colors too. So I know it's a silly reason, but it is blue. Um, and if y'all don't know, if y'all look at my older content, I used to make a lot of XRP videos on technical analysis, price predictions, until I started really looking into XRP and really analyzing the market a lot more serious. I said something's different about XRP, and XRP is definitely a good asset, but there's a lot that's going on behind XRP which I don't like, and a lot of people are not being honest about XRP. Yeah, a lot of this. I'm gonna say this: there are people in this space, and I don't know if y'all really pay attention to influencers on social media, but there's a lot of influencers in this space that say a lot of good things about XRP, but they don't say 100% the truth on XRP, you know. And if anybody that reads the Bible, everybody knows where all this digital asset stuff is going. So that's why I look at XRP. It is going to be life changing, but is it going to affect us immediately, or is it going to be one of the things that, you know, well, from what God told me, a lot of people are going to miss out on XRP when it finally does take off, because a lot of people are not going to survive this inflation, and some people are going to have to pull out their investment to just make it. So yeah, during these times is about to be something. I'm just gonna let y'all know. Yeah, this is the beginning. This is just the beginning. You said you traded on KuCoin, TKS. Yeah. But yeah, other than that, like XRP is a good asset as far as what it's supposed to do, but as far as what they're going to use it for, no, they are gonna no. XRP is gonna be the control coin in the end, and it's funny because people are complaining about banks, right? I'm just saying, you complain about banks, but you invest in XRP. That don't make sense. I don't know why you would complain about banks and then invest in XRP, because banks are linked with XRP. It just makes sense because banks aren't going nowhere. Okay. Wow, that's different. I never even heard it like that. That's the first time I've seen that. I'm not up with the lingo, the abbreviations, because everybody have changed abbreviations, so I didn't even know what you were talking about. I'm like, what? But other than that, that's part of the reason why I like XRP. Nothing too crazy. I don't really care about the technology. It's cool, but it's not like ooh you know. You know what technology would impress me, make me go ooh ah, if you had a teleporter machine, if I could walk through this machine and it teleports me across a certain distance, like say from uh, my city from Dallas, if it could transport me from Dallas to like New York, like it like like in those sci-fi movies where it on a molecular structure where it rips you apart into like different molecules, and then all of a sudden you turn into little particles and you go to that destination in like full tact. Like if you could do that, then I'll be impressed. That's impressive technology, but crypto's not really impressive to me as far as technology. It's just the upgraded version of our current system, if anything. At least that's how I look at it. Nothing impressive about crypto, honestly. But maybe I'm just being weird. I don't know. But anyway, that's what I have for Casino Coin. Let me go back over here. Let me check out. So yeah, I'll take 2 requests and then I'll be done with the technical analysis, and then I'm gonna play some Apex. But let me know y'all's requests so I can start looking at some other charts real quick. I'm gonna just touch H bar before someone touches it because I've been told people that this thing may start looking to go short, and we're going short now. So let me see. Yeah, I was telling people here to look for a short on H bar. I think 3 days ago. I think I told people look down. Everybody waiting to touch the moon was a clear message on who not doing technical. Exactly. You know what? I'm not trying to call nobody out, and I don't want no drama because I'm not the guy that likes to start drama. But there are some influencers on in the XRP community that I want to call out and really shake their feathers because a lot of people that have been claiming certain things about XRP and da 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 da, they definitely don't know technical analysis, and they definitely been lying to a lot of people. And that, honestly, it really does piss me off because you built your following and you built your following off a lie, and a lot of people can't discern between truth and a lie nowadays. They see one guy's very successful and rich, has everything that you want, and they're gonna listen to them. And then you hear it from another person that knows what they're talking about, not as rich, not as successful, but they still don't like to listen to that truth. So that's why in this space, this crypto space, I hope the people that are on top, that are influencers, I hope it gets reversed. Like the people that don't have a big following, I hope they get a bigger following and they start leading people, because I'm sick of the influencers on Twitter, on YouTube, and making the stupid faces on their on their thumbnails. Let me stop. I could go in on people right now, but I'm not that type of dude. Unless God leads me to do it, I will rip somebody apart, but I don't feel led to do that right now. But y'all know what I'm talking about. The little guy can retain custody of their assets. Back in the day, you had to have a broker to trade. Today, I could trade crypto on exchanges and retain it in my wallet. Well, some people lose the money in their wallet, just to let you know. But I don't even think your money in your wallet's safe, if we're gonna be honest. As long as you have a number that could be tracked, your money's not safe in a wallet. I guarantee you that. That's the illusion that they want to give you. I promise you that, because if you really understand the word of God and you understand where this digital market is going, your money's not safe anywhere. Period. Even now, your money's not safe. The only reason why your money's okay now is because there's no laws that could go against what you're doing right now, because there's no system that's you're going against. Because say if once you go against their system, oh man, they could cut your wallet off. They might not take your money, but they could cut off your wallet from you using your wallet. Best believe that these wallets that you have, there's some type of tracker to your wallet. Don't be ignorant to that. I promise you, there is something, and whether they want to say it is or not, there is. There definitely is. And the reason why I say this is because a lot of people don't like you. You aren't the people that made the technology. You don't know what they made, how they made the technology, and how it truly works. So you have to know the person that made it. You have to know the ins and outs of that technology of how it works. It's just like you know how a camera works, but you don't know why the flash happens when you press the button, why the uh, why the light hits a certain way when it reflects and refracts off of your face or whatever, um, and why there's different things. So if you knew everything about every single detail of it, no, I'm pretty sure they left some details out that they don't want you to know about. I'm pretty sure it's like that hidden disclaimer that's in tiny letters, tiny letters. Like I didn't know that was the case. Well, it's here. You didn't read everything, or we didn't disclose that. And you have to realize crypto's not even regulated either. So it's it's deer season. I'll say that it's duck hunting and deer season. You remember like in Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck cartoons how they always argued and said it's rabbit season and duck season. Oh, it's season. It's for both. It's season for anybody that's invested. So not XRP for investing. Got it. So any alternative during inflation if the market is showing a longer bear tendency? So I said this bear market might last for a year and a half or 2 years. Excuse me. Um, I what I was saying earlier, I was saying that during this inflation, people need to be building something outside of their job, outside of crypto, whether that be your using your talents, whether that be using your gifts, use those and build a business outside of crypto, because right now people are like I said, people don't really know what's coming. It's gonna get ugly. It's gonna get ugly. But people need to use their money for investing in like their dreams. They said the average millionaire, like I said earlier, the average millionaire has at least seven streams of income. If you don't have at least seven streams of income, you're doing yourself a disservice. Well, you don't even have to have seven streams. At least have four streams of income, if not three, because barely, nowadays people have to work. It's just to put food on the table. So that's why a lot of people nowadays are, living with their friends or living with family because, you know, inflation is kicking their butt. It's hard to live out here, and a lot of people, are getting it to a point where it's like, you know what, I need to save money and work on my dreams. And then you got people in school. Don't get me started on school too, because nowadays school's like a joke because they have a different agenda for schools now. But other than that, um, I do suggest that people need to have different streams of income coming in, and while you have your different streams of income coming in, then you could start, making money outside of crypto, because crypto is showing signs of a very long bear market, and then also regulations is getting, it's not here yet. It's gonna be a while before this whole market goes bullish, like strong bullish, and breaks, new levels. So be paying attention to that. It is going to be something very interesting. I do think when the time does happen, it's going to happen to the point where people won't be able to get in and make it, or people just won't have the money to invest in crypto. And if they do, they're going to have a very small amount because, like I said, inflation is kicking everybody's butt right now. So just be building whatever God told you to build. Just be building it. If he gave you a vision, if he gave you instructions on doing something, do it, because God's at the end of the day is going to take care of his people. He's going to take care of the people that are going to be the remnant of the end times. So yeah, be paying attention. I don't say this because I'm like, oh, like trying to push stuff on people. I'm just saying it because you could clearly see what's going on. You just need to have the discernment to say, okay, or be humble, like, hey, God, what's really going on here? And hey, if he tells you, he'll show you what's going on. Let me see, what is this? Okay, I'll just reading something just for a second. You said, I'm hoping my son goes to trade school. Was he, does he have anything in particular that he likes as far as going to do a trade? Let me look at one chart real quick. Okay, what's that? Okay, I think it's under this list. Man, I haven't looked at Tezos in a long time. Tezos, you were my best friend at one point, then you betrayed me. Okay, so this is coming down to, oops. Okay, so Tezos actually hit the first target finally. Dang, that took forever. When did I call that? Well, anyway, it doesn't matter at this point. I still have Tezos coming down to electric, welding, or okay, HVAC. He's in seventh grade, so he has a little time. He has a plenty of time, unless you're taking him, unless he's going to like a private school, which is what it sounds like, a private trade school. That's what it sounds like. Yeah, that's what that sounds like. Let's see what's going on Twitter. What is going on Twitter today? Who can I? I was gonna be like, who could I make mad today on Twitter? Let's see. So why are Democrats protecting Gary Gensler in the SEC? American investors deserve answers from the people tasked with overseeing our capital markets. Congress should fulfill its constitutional role to conduct oversight. Read my letter. I'm not reading all this. I'm going to read this on my spare time. But let me see. You said don't see a link to your trading lessons in Discord? No, that's because my trading lessons are private for my student section. So I have a invisible section in my Discord. It's for strictly students only. So if you become a member of this channel, if you go to the join button, like I don't know if you're watching from your phone or if you're watching from your laptop or PC, but if you go to the phone or scroll down, hit the join button and then click on VIP or click on Legend, and then connect your YouTube channel to Discord, and you'll get connected to that section. I have a lot of videos. They're just invisible in the Discord. Let's see, XRP community. Man. See, stuff like this right here. You see, like people say stuff like this, hold minimum of 1,000 XRP to get rich this decade. Like people don't know nothing about nothing. Like you don't know what's gonna happen. We don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. We don't know what's gonna happen today. We just take it day by day. We don't know if we're gonna get rich off this or not. We don't know what's gonna be the end result in this. So when people say stuff like this, it's like they're guaranteeing you to be rich. That sounds like what what's his name? Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street, the original Wolf of Wall Street. That sounds like what he would say to get people enticed. Because, you know, he was a crooked person when he was. I like him because he had pizzazz and all that. But what he did was hella wrong. But this, I don't like when people do that. I definitely don't like that. Let me see. Let me just scroll through Twitter. I'm gonna see what's on here. Let's talk about XLM, Cardano, and Tron. Let's see. What? NFT holders, when you tweet them a screenshot of their this dude be trolling the whole crypto space, and it's so hilarious the way he does it. The pictures he chooses to be bullying the crypto space is just oh my god. I mean, let me scroll down. Okay, she lost some weight. Cool. Let's see. I don't really see nothing too much on Twitter that I'm like, no. Yeah, this right here, that's stupid. When people have this mentality that they're not selling at all, in day trading, that's called marrying your trade. Anybody that day trades know that this right here, what this dude is promoting, not selling, he's giving you the idea. I'm not saying like this is a bad thing. Well, in investing, you shouldn't, whatever. But in investing, you should be smart about when to pull out, when not to, and especially when inflation kicks in. But in this case right here, you're creating the idea of being married to a bad relationship, a bad trade. So don't ever not pay attention. Don't ever pay attention to people that do this stuff. You know, that's why I always encourage people to read charts for yourself, because stuff like that gets people in trouble. And then that's why you have a lot of people going broke right now, because they put all their investments into their and all their money into their investments. Is crazy. Well, that's funny. Let's see. So nothing really said on Twitter right now that's getting my attention. Like, oh, okay, like super. But right now, I'm just gonna be watching the market, just taking notes, just making sure that I'm in the right being positioned right. Being positioned right is half the battle when it comes to this market. So, other than that, if anybody does not have any requests, I'm gonna go ahead and play Apex. I'm gonna do some gaming for a little bit. I'm not gonna do some gaming for a long time. I'm still tired from yesterday's live stream and going to sleep late, so I might stream for a little bit longer, and then after that, I will get off and go about my life. Okay, that makes so much sense. Something I just read. No, anyway, so then I'm gonna go ahead, since nobody's giving me a request. I'm gonna go ahead and play this game. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. It's gonna take a minute though, because it has to load up. But other than that, I appreciate you guys for being here as always. I know most of y'all come here for the technical analysis, and also for if I have a word of God from God, or just a prayer, or whatever the case may be. But I appreciate you guys for always joining and supporting. Definitely appreciate that for sure. If you guys want to support me still after the technical analysis, I'm also building the gaming community up as well, merging the gaming and the crypto community. So if you want to support that, feel free to share this live stream, tell people about it, get people on the stream. I would definitely appreciate that. I would definitely appreciate that. Let me check one thing real quick. Okay. You're definitely welcome. You're definitely welcome. All right, so let's go. I think I'm gonna just do a warm-up game. I'm not even gonna go to the training ground. I'm just gonna jump right in. That's the best way to play. just jump right in. Just jump right in. I play better when I just jump in and don't have any idea what's going on. Like, okay, we're just gonna make it work.
Speed isn't life. It just makes life go faster.
Oh no, don't lag. Is it lagging on y'all's end? On my second monitor, it looks like it's lagging.
Perceptive, resourceful, relentless. You must be all these things and more. After what I've seen, nothing down there scares me.
Okay. Okay, cool. They better show me that I was champion, because I was champion yesterday. Hold on. They still didn't give it to me.
All I care about is who's the best.
They did give me my championship. I'm mad. All right, here we go, y'all. We're going to have a good game. I'm calling it. Okay, where we jumping, teammate?
An intelligent fighter would land there. Follow me to victory.
Okay.
Copy.
Well, I don't have to press nothing. All right, here we go. Whoa, I'm lagging hard. What is going on?
Next ring's not close, people.
Here we go. I'm lagging hard, though. I'm not liking that.
Wings out.
Oh! Wow, why am I lagging so bad? I'm lagging hard. Ah, dang. Y'all better get this woman. Oh my gosh, I lost so quick.
Gotta say, you really know how to put a smile on my face.
Okay, I guess jumping right in wasn't the best idea. Squad eliminated. Dang. I didn't even get a shot off. Hold on, let me warm up the correct way. Cause I need to get used to my new settings too, by the way. Let me see. Sensitivity at 1.5. Let me see. Let me fix this. Yeah, let me fix something really quick. I need to change my other settings real quick. Let's go with that. Let's go with 116. No, 1600. I'll go with that. All right, that was terrible. My mouse was all over the place, or my sensitivity was all over the place. That felt so unnatural. No excuse though, but that felt really bad. Let me see. All right, there we go.
Wings up.
So I'm also trying to get better at being a sniper too. So y'all will see me sniping in this game more often. Where's my longbow? Here we go. Actually, I don't need that. So yeah, I'm learning how to be a much better sniper in this game. So. Got a target way out in the distance. Let me see if I can hit that. 700 meters. Should be about right there. Maybe right here. There we go. That's it. All right. When I could consistently hit a target 700 meters, that's when I'm like, okay, maybe maybe it's just me. I'm tripping, but I always try to be consistent with those shots. does it feel so slow? Maybe I'm not used to these settings, my new settings yet. And then I'm also lagging too a little bit. So it feels very off to me. So that's how many meters? 117, so right there. There we go. We got another target, 386 meters, so let's see, about right there. 400 meters, so about right there. Perfect. See, I'm told you, I'm getting good at this sniping. I'm told you I'm gonna get good at this sniping. I've been working on it for a while. I definitely worked on it last night when I was live streaming. I'm trying to get the sniping skills up. Be like that one movie. What's that one movie that's a sniper movie? I forget what it's called, but a lot of people talked about that movie. It was very a sensitive movie. It just had to do with the American sniper. Let me see. So 91 meters, 95 meters, so 106 meters, so it needs to be about right there. There we go. So we 400 meters, so about right there. I'm telling you, I'm gonna get this sniping thing down. Just give me a minute. I just feel so laggy for some reason. It just feels weird. I might need to change my, hold on a second. This feels so weird. I don't know what it is, but my settings might be a little off. I don't know. It just feels so, clunky, and actually it feels like it's unnatural. So the question now, can I do with the moving target? Let's see. All right. Okay. I like that. I like that. Let me try the other one. This is my favorite sniper rifle, but I never get it in the game. People grab it too much, and I never have a chance to get it. So.
Wings up.
The only thing I hate about this one, it's so slow. And it only has one bullet per shot. So you have to hit your shot. If you don't, then you pretty much miss out. So right here. Nice, got it. First shot too. Let's see. So about right there. Let's go for this one. All right, I think we're ready. I think we're ready to play. I just need to get my sniping down. Now, close range shots. Oh, I missed my shot. Wow. Close range combat, that's going to be a different story, though. I just skimmed right over. Okay, we're ready. We're ready to go.
Wings out.
Let me test one more thing and then we'll be on our way.
Wings up.
Like for y'all, is it lagging for y'all on y'all's end or is it just me? Because I feel like I'm lagging for some reason. I don't like that feeling.
I'm out of energy ammo.
Oh, let me get some more. Wow, I missed all those shots. That was bad. Hold on a second. I can't believe I missed all those shots. This recoil is crazy. Y'all, look at this recoil. If I just walk up to the wall, look at this. Y'all see how crazy it goes up? That's wild to me. That hip fire though is pretty solid on this one. Wonder how much the delay is. Hold on a second. I'm gonna test something. I really want to see something here. Let me take this off. How long is the delay on this thing? Okay, so we put this back on. Wow, that's a big difference. That's a huge difference. Okay, I see why people complain about that now. Let's see. This recoil is something else. That recoil is pretty nasty. Let me try a new technique out. Okay, I like that technique. Okay, I think we're ready now. I think we are warmed up the right way. Let me see. All right, here we go. Trios, let's go. I feel like I'm lagging still, though. I don't know why. It feels very awkward.
These wings aren't just to get around. They're a legacy.
Ready, steady, go. This is going to be fun, brother.
Introducing your champion. I'm Jump Master. Follow my lead. Pick out something nice for me, won't you?
Oh wow, I'm Jump Master. Dang, why y'all do that? Wow, y'all really made me Jump Master. I was not even anticipating on that.
Looks fun over there.
Hell yeah!
It was rocking. All right, here we go.
Bogey landed near me. Wings out.
Oh, don't do that. No, not yet. Don't waste it. That would have been a bad move. Oh, I feel so laggy. I hate this.
Getting shot at. Some good news. We're in the next ring.
Wings out.
Woo! They clipped me good.
Recharging shields.
Throwing our star. That's the bad news here. I'm getting shot. Crack the enemy shield. Real, don't shield out. Recharging shields.
Bogey here.
You kidding me? None of those shots. Oh, he's a clone. That's why. I hate this gun.
One down. Out of shotgun ammo. Give me my shield to recharge.
Recharging shields.
So wait, this woman here. All right, let's see. I have a high ground, so Come on, big boy.
Healing up. Give me a sec.
I need another gun because this gun is not it.
Faster, faster, faster. Yo, cracked an enemy shield. Reloading. Shot at. I'm down. No bueno.
Got him.
Got one.
Got him.
Reloading. Bandit bought the farm.
Good job.
Got him.
Whole squad crashed and burned. Ooh,
Let me gloat a little bit. Light work. Light work. Y'all saw that? Light work. Let me get it. Let me stop. I hate this gun still though.
Healing. This is taking too long. Care package coming in.
Wings up.
Ooh, my favorite gun. Yes, go. Okay, now we have a better. Did he just take? Okay, I'm not gonna. We're a team, so I'm not gonna be mad. We're a team. We gotta work together.
Heavy ammo here.
I'm out of sniper ammo.
Ooh, I'll take that.
Thanks a bunch.
Healing up. Give me a sec. Healing up.
All
Give me a
right.
sec.
So another one over here. Okay, we're good.
Light ammo here. Evo shield here. Level 3.
Must go faster.
Backpack here. Level 2.
Y'all better come and get this shield. Like, I don't know y'all playing games for. We trying to win this. Okay, let's see. I guess since we are here,
Check out here.
yeah, let's go that way.
Affirmative. Need sniper optics.
Yeah, if y'all find any
Wings up.
sniper rifle ammo, I mean,
Hitting the eject button.
oh wow, they have that gun right there. Come on.
It's go time.
Wings up.
Mm-mm.
Got a helmet here, amigo. Phoenix kit here.
I'll take the helmet. Oh.
Sniper ammo here.
Wings up.
Let's see. The way these things scream though, like really. Y'all did too much. Y'all did way too much.
Wings up.
I need optics for an assault rifle.
Let's drop that. Yeah, let's go with that. Man, let's drop the grenade for the thermite. Yeah, we're good.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown. We're not all in the ring. Can't help you if you're flash fried. Wings up. Replicator being delivered.
Okay.
Replicator incoming. Wings out.
wait.
Tally on bandit.
Faster, faster, faster! Frag out!
Did they not see me? Guess not, because it's... Oh, never mind. I changed my mind. They saw me. They definitely saw me.
Wings out.
How do... Wow. No, not like this. Retreat.
Charging up my shield.
Throw an arc star! It's go time!
Need an arc star. Thermite out.
Reload it! Only 15 Amigos, let's go here!
Okay. So they must have went up the stairs then.
Got a heal. Taking a lead.
Yes, turbocharge it, yes.
Counting down from 16. The ring's close by.
Alright, we're good now. Let's change that. We are good. Let's go. Did they go up?
Ring's just a little further. 45 on the clock.
Oh, they're over here. Okay.
Wings out. Wings up. Alert 5, ready to scorch for burn.
Come on, big boy. You're taking some time.
Warning. Ring closing. Burn is good. Good. That's right. A safety. Got a bandit in my sights.
Oh, you try to snipe me when I try to snipe you. Okay. Yeah, the same idea.
Taking damage over here. They're shooting at me. I'm going in. Ah! Reloading. Charging on my shields. Recharging shields.
Whoa, who shot?
Kill leader. They can have it. My sights. Got another bandit.
Hey, we got a team behind us.
Charging up my shield.
Amigos, let's go here. Here's the ejector seat.
Charging up my shields. Tally on bandit out there.
Firing. Reloading.
Someone's around.
Taking fire, brothers.
Oh, crap.
Charging shields.
Replicator.
Dynamite. Taking fire. Reloading.
Where they at? Where they at?
Reload. Bandit down.
Oh, no, no, no. That's not going to work.
Recharging shields. Recharging shields.
Give me my shields to recharge.
Just a sec. Healing up.
Shake a leg. Only got a minute. The ring's right there.
not discharge my shields. Come on.
Phoenix cannon. 45 to go.
You ain't gonna be that easy, buddy. You ain't gonna be that easy.
Giving my shields a recharge. Reloading.
10 seconds and
Charging shields. Alright, could use some help. Giving my shields a recharge.
I need to get some shields because this is not gonna be good if I can't.
Cracked the manual shield. Down that one. Rings moving. Keep the hustle. I see over here. One more squad left.
All right, we're about to be champions, y'all. Wait, what? Wait a second, hold on. Let's go ahead and take.
Cracked the enemy shield. Oh no, I got some bad guys here.
wings up.
Another light ammo.
Fox 3 launching missiles.
Yeah, we gotta push forward because this team.
Wings out. Charging up my shields. Wings up. Fox 3, visual clear. Good talk.
No, I'm down. Get him. No, we got second place. We were so close to getting that. Oh, I'd have to reload and heal up though. And then that stupid storm caught me. So I had to really go forward. That was a good game though.
Apex champions.
I actually enjoyed that round. That was a really good game. It was a really close game too. Man. That was a close game. I'm so sad. We were so close to getting that. So close to getting that. They probably left already, but that's a good game.
Race you to the MZ.
Today smells like victory. I love pretending to smell. Sniff, sniff.
Speed isn't life. It just makes life go faster. This is your champion.
Run fast, hit fast, win fast.
Jumpmaster Actual. Valkyrie has the ball.
Wow, I'm really okay. Y'all really love me being the jump master in this game.
Looks fun over there.
Where? Let's go there.
Hell yeah!
Copy that. Enemy over there.
Let's go over here.
Man, this is gonna be a fast fun game.
Thanks a bunch.
I gotta get one of y'all. Dang it, y'all put this stupid shield up. I'm like, oh, y'all got swoop. Ooh, y'all saved y'all. Oh, you know what? Man, now I don't got no ammunition. Come on.
Wings up.
I don't want that. No.
Wings out.
I'll rock y'all with the Mozambique. Let's go. Keep that for later.
Charging up my shield. There's a clueless bogey out there. Wings up. Safe, setting the payload.
None of those shots hit. You gotta be out. Really? None of those shots.
Wings out.
Crack. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, I hate that gun so much, but I hate it's all I had at that time. Wow. That was a fun one. I'm still trying to get used to my sensitivity because my muscle memory's trying to figure out what's going on here.
I always take the high road.
This match is gonna be extravagant, that's the word.
One thing is certain. Someone will die.
This is your champion.
Particle colliders are R301s. They both split atoms if you ask me.
Y'all need to stop making me jump master. I'm gonna jump us in the craziest place.
Hell yeah!
Let's scope this quadrant down here. Bogey landed near me.
You serious? None of those missiles hit her? She's gonna come after me for real now. What if she sees that was me? No! Ugh.
Wings up. I'm down.
This heifer shot me out of the sky. Oh, dang. Oh, come save me, y'all. She's trying to really kill me. Oh, he coming to shoot me. Oh, she. Trash.
Can't catch what you can't see.
You didn't even do the damage. You just took the credit. It's over. What happened? Oh, he disconnected. That's why. Man, y'all gotta be kidding me. Oh, the same guy. He wasn't even a part of the squad last game.
Skill by the evidence.
With the right moves, to take this win. AKA Kaidi, Valk, and the Ghost of Viper. This is your champion.
I'm speechless. Actually, I wrote a speech. You know what? Forget it. Let's just fight.
How kind of you to roll out the red carpet.
Oh my goodness.
It's like I'm the jump master. Lucky you. Let's get this party down here.
Understood.
Wings out.
Oh, let me take that.
Wow, first blood. Imagine crashing and burning on takeoff.
That information here. Level 2.
Countdown.
The heck was that?
Thanks.
The gnat, really?
You got it.
Wings up.
I need heavy ammo.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Need sniper optics.
New kill leader. Watch for them.
Wings out.
I'm incapacitated.
You got to be kidding. Hey, we got a team behind us too. Y'all trash.
Under fire.
Strike out. They spotted. I'm taking shots. Broken enemy shield. Reloading. Enemy shield broken.
We
Okay. Let me go help my teammate because
This way.
Bro, where are you going? Like, what are you doing?
there's a third party.
I've been snared.
Like, we're fighting that thing.
I have a subject in view.
Dude's crazy. People be taking gaming way too serious. Like, you need to get over yourself, bro. Coil got a new thing. Oh,
Your portfolio is not on.
well.
Science is unapologetic, as am I.
The Apex Games. Come for revenge? Stay for the beautiful women. Listen and fight. This is your champion.
I look forward to meeting you all. Real close and personal.
I'll take it from here.
Next time you want to take a swing at Fuse, don't.
Mira, it's not about how hard you tried. It's about who wins.
Don't matter what you run, just how you use it. I love this part!
You know, start fighting and then run off and run again.
Bandit touchdown near me. Wings out.
Firing. I'm down.
I have shattered his hopes. Reloading.
This dude died already. And he was talking all that trash. Dang, this, oh my goodness. Dang, they said it's R-rated.
Your girl's gonna be heartbroken when she hears the news. I'll tell.
Let me get him again. I'm gonna laugh. I'm gonna talk so much trash to him. I'm like, dang, you died so quick.
Valkyrie on station, ready for anything. Hell, everything. Everyone forgets to look up. You lot are that voice in their head. Trust it. Introducing your champion.
Whoa, I'm bouncing off the thing. Actually, you know what? We're gonna use this. Dang, we already got scoped. Oh man.
Evo shield here. Level 2.
Where's the scope at?
Safe to touch down. We're already in the next ring. Later, champ.
First blood. Who'd have thought a blood sport would be so bloody?
Oh, here it is. I'm tripping. Like, what?
Got an extended energy mag here. Level 2.
Wings out.
I have an extended sniper mag here. Level 3.
Where?
Dibs. Wings up.
Enemy spotted.
Wings out.
Enemy here. Frag out.
Bogey spotted out there. Got ourselves a bandit out there.
Man, poke your head
There's
out.
a trap around here.
Poke your head out.
They spotted me. I'm
Another
taking
one
shots.
squad. Got a bogey.
Taking really bad damage. Recharging my shields.
Wings up. New kill.
Oh my goodness, I can't stand this guy.
Enemy down. Going to face.
No, that's not the gun I want or need. There we go.
Throwing arc grenade. I've been down. Contact.
Reloading.
Reload.
Using help here. Bandit here.
No! Oh, I thought I lost to the other chick. Okay, I guess not. I got lost to him. Let me see. There's something on my thing. Oh, this. Okay, this is like a little gnat flying near my light, or fruit fly or whatever. It's kind of annoying. What's up, cuz? How we doing? Happy Friday to you too.
Enough flirting. Save it for when we win.
How you been?
So what if my head's a little...
This is
How else could I see everything?
this is probably gonna be my last game, cause I'm tired. But I'm glad you stopped by though. I appreciate that. You missed the first 3 games were pretty fun. You missed those.
The battle begins. May the gods bless you.
All right, we about to win this one.
Jump Master Actual. Follow my heading.
Oh, we really gonna do this again? Okay, let's do it.
I'm calling ball. Let's land over there. Heard that. I love this part! Yeah!
Need a victory, right?
Wings out.
I'm lagging so hard though, so it's gonna be kind of hard to get one. But I'm gonna make the most of it.
Close range. Highlights your enemies.
Eh,
Attention.
don't got nothing good. Wait a minute. We gonna come over here and get this real quick. Oh, I guess
Got Nemo
not.
shield here, level 2.
Wings up.
Shotgun bolt here, level 3.
I'm surprised nobody landed over here. Usually there's people that land over here.
Got a house on here.
Oh, taking that. Let me see. Get rid of that.
Let's start shopping.
Yeah, let's do that.
Wings up.
I just need a sniper rifle and I'll be good.
Remember who hooked you up? I've got your back. My favorite kind of loot. The kind that's all mine.
Whoa. Where did that go? Hold on a second. Okay, I guess I don't need that.
Kill leader. Got an extended sniper mag here, level 3.
Daggum.
Champions out. And I'm just broken hearted about it.
I need a. Okay, this.
Enemy there.
I really want to snipe.
Shooting. I cracked an enemy shield.
I don't want to go too close.
Reloading.
Wings up.
Watch out, enemy there.
Oh, she's pushing. Oh, okay. So that's what we're gonna do.
Tossing thermite.
Person's pushing way too
Close,
hard.
we've still got a minute. Wings out.
Took care of that one. Reloading. Whole squad down. Now let's see what they left us.
We have 45 seconds, and the next ring's right there. Don't leave anything good behind.
Reloading.
Dang. Took the good thing.
Rings close. Half the squad's in my ultimate is ready.
Appointed. New kill leader. I can have it. My sights are set higher. Wings up.
We've got 10 seconds. I hate to say it, but looting time's over.
No, it ain't. Let's see. Let's do one more.
Check out this area.
Okay, we're good.
Wings out. We're outside the ring. Move unless you want to get barbecued.
I didn't even see this one. Okay, we're good now.
Wings up.
All right. 10 squads left. We got this. We got this.
Wings out. Care package coming down.
All right.
Wings up. Wings out.
Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm like, ooh. Oops.
I've got eyes on this spot. Level 1. Helps reduce muzzle rags.
Wings up. Helmet here. Level 2.
Thanks, Angel. You're the sweetest.
Ooh, come with that again. I like being your angel.
Need a mid-range scope.
Standard stock here. Level 3.
I'll take that.
Okay, I'm solid on the ammunition. Really, I could get. Don't have to need. I don't really need all this energy ammo. Let's see.
Wings up. Wings out.
Valkyrie worth buying.
Alert 5, Valkyrie on station. We are go for burn.
Where y'all want to go? Let's see. Let's go this way.
Main engine burn.
I don't think they heard me, but it's all good.
Should aliens
Whoa, why'd you land? Well, you know what? I'm not even
Wings up.
gonna. I'm not even gonna question it. I'm just gonna be like, okay.
There's someone here.
You're here?
Enemy here.
Enemy. Wings out.
For the right operation. Eagle head. Cracked an enemy shield. Reloading.
I'm going to.
Heads up.
Bogey over there.
Dropping the pain. Give my shields a recharge.
Oh crap.
Let's see what we have over here.
Beautiful. We have a replicator coming in.
Let's go here.
Where are you trying to go, homie?
Come here.
Where's homie trying to go? Like, I need a scope on this. I'm not gonna be that effective towards the end of this game.
Let's see what we have over here.
Wings out.
Throwing jump drive.
Wings up.
There's an enemy near me.
Wings out.
Oh man, he wasn't joking.
Taking fire. Retracting my on the right. Spotted. Smoke out.
Wings up.
Give my shields a recharge.
Oh crap.
Healing. Watch my
Stupid bow shooter.
Wings out. Reach up. Shields. Wings up.
Why are you mad at me? Are you?
Oh man. When teammates argue for nothing. Dang. What place we get? Sixth? Ah, that's trash. Oh, at least we got close to first. Close, but not first. Well, anyway, I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here because your boy's tired and he needs to eat. So I will see y'all in the next stream next week. I will be off until Monday, so I will see y'all next week. So y'all be blessed. Y'all be encouraged in Jesus' name, and y'all have a blessed weekend. And I hope y'all enjoy and, you know, have peace over the weekend as well. So peace. God bless. So long.